Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got tonight. Let's see what we got. Hey, we got some clams. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and make a clam chowder. First thing you gotta do with this clam chowder is get those clams all washed up. We just got done doing that. We took all these clams, put them in a pot, and we got about 4 cups of water right here. We're gonna drop in. We're gonna turn the heat to medium high, about right there. We're gonna put a lid on this and we're gonna let it cook off until the clams open up. While those clams are hanging out in the hot tub, I cooked up some bacon. We're gonna keep that off to the side for later. I also took some of that bacon grease, and we're gonna use that also. All right, let's check out these clams. See what they looking like. Hey, looking beautiful. We're gonna take these clams out and we're gonna strain off this liquid. All right, we got these clams out, as you can see. We got them in a bowl, off to the side. We got that clam juice, or that clam stock, however you want to call it, right there. We got some cheesecloth right here with a strainer. And we're gonna strain this liquid through here. Reason why, hold on one second. You see that down there? We don't want that. We're gonna put that in here. Got that clam juice all ready to go. Got these ingredients over here. I got 3 celery stalks, 2 carrots, and 1 whole yellow onion. Gave them all a dice. We got some of that bacon grease, 3 tablespoons of butter. I took 5 or 6, about 6 garlic cloves, put it on the microplane, and we got about 6 tablespoons of flour. I got this pot over here that we're gonna drop some of that butter and bacon grease and saute these vegetables. I also took 2 russet potatoes, washed them really good, peeled them, and diced them up. Put them in cold water so they didn't turn color. I'm gonna give that a mix. And of course, some salt. And some pepper. And we're gonna let that go down, or cook down, until those onions get nice and translucent. I'm also gonna add a little bit of oregano and a little bit of onion powder. Now I'm going to add that garlic, a We're gonna let that cook for about 2 minutes, maybe a minute. Now I'm gonna take this flour and add that in. Give that a mix. We're gonna let that go for about a minute. Now I'm gonna take about 1.5 cups of some Pinot Grigio. We're gonna give that a mix. And we're gonna let that cook down for about 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna take that clam stock we had earlier and drop that in. We're also gonna take a little bit of thyme. Boom, drop that in. 2 bay leaves, that's going in. We're also gonna take these potatoes, drop that in. We're gonna bring that up to a boil, and then we'll turn the heat down. Now we're gonna turn that heat down. We're gonna let it go until those potatoes get nice and tender. Remember, come over, occasionally give it a stir. Don't forget about it. Now that I got my potatoes nice and tender, I can add my heavy whipping cream, my bacon, and my clams. If you don't have enough clam meat, you can always get a can. I got the whole baby clams in water. We're gonna add about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'll drop this bacon in and these clams. We're gonna give that a little mix. And we're gonna keep that on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. After that 5 to 7 minutes is up, I like to take it off the heat and let it sit for about 15 minutes. After that, I'll take out the thyme stems and the bay leaf, and then we'll be ready to plate up. Ooh. Check out that clam chowder. Let's go ahead and get a bite. Ooh, boy. Oh, hell yeah. That was really good. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Stay tuned.